So today we're going to be opening up LOL Surprise confetti under wraps. So it's sort of like LOL confetti balls, but it's a little different. So it says we have 15 surprises, and it comes inside this little overwrap, and it's sort of like a gel. And it also pops out some confetti so that we can be aware. And first of all, never buy the fake ones because they look ugly. Okay, so we're going to be starting to open this. So first you're going to need to peel this part right here. Whoops. And sometimes that happens. So you just have to go like that. Unwrap it. Happy days. Okay, then you're going to need to unwrap this part. The little arrows tell you where to start unwrapping. So I'm just going to... Oh, that didn't work out. You can just always go like that. Oh, wait. And then need to... Wait, got it. And... There. Just have to pop it open like that. And there's our string, so we're going to have to pull our string. Well, first we're going to, let's pop open. Wait, no. That's the whole thing. Okay, ready, set, wait, ready, set. And that wasn't, all the confetti's in here. That didn't pop open. Also did. Let's try again. When you pull this, it's supposed to pop open. And confetti's supposed to be everywhere, but I don't think it did that. So that's a little bit of a bummer. Oh, so we have this cute little dress. It's a 2-piece. So let's keep all the confetti inside here, so that way it won't be a big mess. Just don't want to Okay, officially it's not closing very well. There. So now we're gonna have to pop open this one. There's one. And you have to press this button, and this one opens. Get this surprise. Now we're going to have to open it. Yeah, this thing isn't working, the string. No, that's a bummer. Okay, so we're gonna have to break this thing open. Wait, I think this string is the way how you can pop it open. Okay, that's weird. There's literally no way how to open this. There's no slide. Okay, I'm gonna have my dad try to help me open it. Holy moly. Don't press any of these buttons because they just open up things. That just opens up that one. Yeah, this one I take